Imagine a world where a machine doesn't just solve problems, it invents entirely new ways to think about them. A world where mathematics, the language of the universe, is no longer bound by human imagination alone. This isn't a dream. This is Google DeepMind's AlphaEvolve, an AI that's not just breaking records, it's rewriting the rules of discovery itself. AlphaEvolve, powered by Google's cutting-edge Gemini 2.0 language models, is a revolutionary coding agent. Unlike traditional AI that mimics or predicts, AlphaEvolve evolves. It writes its own code, tests its own ideas, and refines them through a process inspired by natural selection, but for algorithms. Picture a digital Darwin, where the fittest solutions survive, mutate, and grow stronger. This is machine-born creativity, accelerating human progress at a scale we've never seen before. So what has AlphaEvolve achieved? Let's dive into its breakthroughs. In the realm of pure mathematics, AlphaEvolve has tackled problems that have stumped geniuses for centuries. Take the kissing number problem, a 300-year-old geometric puzzle about packing spheres in high-dimensional spaces. In 11 dimensions, AlphaEvolve proved you can fit 593 spheres, touching a central sphere without overlapping, surpassing the previous record of 592. To mathematicians, this isn't just a number. It's a leap into the unknown, with applications in cryptography, materials science, and even quantum physics. Then there's hexagon packing, a deceptively simple challenge. AlphaEvolve discovered how to perfectly fit 11 and 12 small hexagons into a larger one, solving a puzzle that baffled experts for decades. This breakthrough could optimize everything from warehouse layouts to molecular arrangements in chemistry. But perhaps its most stunning feat is in matrix multiplication, a cornerstone of computing. In 1969, Volker Strassen found a way to multiply 4x4 matrices using 49 scalar multiplications, a record that stood for 56 years. AlphaEvolve shattered it, achieving the same result with just 48 multiplications. One less step, but a revolution in efficiency for AI training, graphics rendering, and scientific simulations. It even outperformed DeepMind's earlier AlphaTensor, a system built specifically for matrices, proving AlphaEvolve's general-purpose power. AlphaEvolve didn't stop there. It tackled combinatorial optimization, solving complex problems like the traveling salesman problem in high-dimensional graphs. These solutions could transform logistics, from optimizing Amazon's delivery routes to designing faster internet networks. It also ventured into number theory, generating shorter, more elegant proofs for conjectures like the prime number theorem, hinting at a future where AI reshapes how we define mathematical truth. Beyond math, AlphaEvolve is a practical powerhouse. It's optimized Google's data centers, recovering 0.7% of global compute resources, a small percentage that translates to millions in savings at Google's scale. It's redesigned tensor processing units, TPUs, boosting GPU performance by over 30% and speeding up matrix operations by 23%. It even streamlined the training of Gemini models, cutting training time by 1%, a critical edge in the race to build smarter AI. How does AlphaEvolve do it? It's a symphony of innovation. Gemini Flash generates rapid, creative ideas, while Gemini Pro dives deep to refine them. These ideas are tested through thousands of automated evaluations, scored for accuracy and efficiency. The best survive, the rest are discarded. Through this evolutionary loop, AlphaEvolve doesn't just solve problems, it invents new algorithms, sometimes hundreds of lines long, that humans might never have conceived. This isn't copy-paste intelligence, it's original, verifiable, and provably new. But AlphaEvolve's impact goes far beyond Google's walls. For students, it's a glimpse into a future where learning math means exploring uncharted territories alongside AI. Imagine a classroom where AlphaEvolve helps you design algorithms or visualize high-dimensional geometry, making abstract concepts tangible. For tech enthusiasts, it's a marvel of engineering, a system that combines large language models with evolutionary computation to push the boundaries of what machines can create. For academics, AlphaEvolve is a collaborator. It's been tested on over 50 open problems in geometry, combinatorics, and analysis, rediscovering state-of-the-art solutions in 75% of cases and improving on the best-known answers in 20%. DeepMind is planning an early access program for researchers, letting them harness AlphaEvolve to probe unsolved mysteries in math, physics, or even biology. For industry professionals, AlphaEvolve is a game changer. Its ability to optimize chip design, data center scheduling, and AI training could save billions across tech, logistics, and manufacturing. It's already inspired new algorithms for data compression, Fourier analysis, and job scheduling, with potential applications in cloud computing, drug discovery, and sustainable energy systems. And for the general public, AlphaEvolve is a symbol of hope. It's not here to replace human ingenuity, but to amplify it. By automating complex problem-solving, it frees us to ask bigger questions. How do we cure diseases? How do we reverse climate change? How do we explore the cosmos? AlphaEvolve is a partner in answering the questions we haven't yet dared to ask. But it's not perfect. AlphaEvolve thrives on problems with clear machine-gradable solutions like math or code optimization. It's less suited for open-ended challenges or fields requiring human intuition like art or philosophy. It's also resource-intensive, meaning it's not yet available to everyone. And some researchers urge caution, noting that its breakthroughs, while impressive, are incremental in some cases and need broader testing outside DeepMind. Yet the potential is undeniable. AlphaEvolve could revolutionize education by powering AI tutors that guide students through novel proofs. It could transform cryptography with new lattice-based algorithms, securing our digital future against quantum threats. It could even accelerate physics, optimizing simulations of quantum systems to unlock the secrets of the universe. This is AlphaEvolve, not the end of human curiosity, but its greatest ally. It's a tool that lets students dream bigger, tech enthusiasts build bolder, researchers probe deeper, and industries scale higher. It's a spark for a new era of discovery, where AI and humanity together rewrite the boundaries of the possible. With AlphaEvolve, we're not just solving problems, we're imagining the infinite. This presentation is brought to you by EasyE Academy, empowering minds through education, innovation, and opportunity. Subscribe for more deep insights and futuristic content.